best free property management software. Property management becomes harder when rent, repairs, messages, leases, and records live in different places. The comparison follows the landlord workflow, from applications and leases to rent collection, maintenance requests, records, and rental finance. Keep the rental from splitting into 5 inboxes. The best property management tool is not just the one with the longest list of features, but once several things are happening at the same time, the risk is not forgetting everything. The risk is forgetting one important thing at the wrong moment. This is general information, not legal or financial advice. Rental rules, screening requirements, fees, notices, and lease practices can vary by location, so always check what applies where your property is. Innago for the full landlord workflow. Innago is one of the first free tools to consider if you want a proper property management dashboard. That makes it useful for independent landlords who do not want to manage every step through different apps. A tenant does not only apply. Some platforms are free for landlords, but certain services, payment methods, screening reports, or tenant-side actions may involve cost. So Innago is a strong starting point, but you still need to check the current fee structure before moving tenants into it. TurboTenant before the lease is signed. TurboTenant is especially useful when the vacancy stage is where things get messy. That matters because a vacancy can quietly drain money, but a rushed tenant decision can create bigger problems later. TurboTenant is helpful for DIY landlords who want a cleaner process before the tenant is fully in place. It can also support later management tasks, but its real appeal is the leasing flow. If your biggest problem is not monthly tracking, but finding and placing the right tenant, this is one of the more relevant free options to test. Apartments.com Rental Manager. From listing to basic management, Apartments.com Rental Manager is useful because it sits close to where many renters already search. Its advantage is not that it feels like a complex back office system. That can be enough for landlords with one or a few residential rentals who want a practical, recognizable tool. It may not be the most advanced choice for every kind of portfolio, but if the priority is getting the property in front of renters and keeping the basics organized afterwards, Apartments.com Rental Manager is a sensible option. Avail for a guided DIY workflow. Avail is built for landlords who want to manage rentals themselves, but still want the process to feel organized. It includes tools around listings, applications, screening, leases, online rent collection, and rental account. The value is that it does not feel like a blank system. That can be useful if you are not trying to become a full property management company, but you do want to look professional and stay consistent. As with any free platform, premium features and certain services may depend on the current plan, so check the limits before relying on it for every property. Stessa, when the money side needs clarity. Stessa is different from the others because it is less focused on tenant workflow and more focused on rental finances. If your main issue is maintenance messages or lease signing, Stessa may not solve the whole problem by itself. But if receipts are scattered, expenses are unclear, or tax time records are painful, it can be a much better fit than a general landlord dashboard. Not only did the tenant pay, but what is this property doing financially? For a simpler process, Rentler is a practical option for landlords who want core rental tools without stepping into a huge platform. Some landlords do not need a deep system with every possible workflow. They need to list the property, communicate clearly, collect the right information, manage rent, and avoid losing track of basic responsibilities. As always, check which actions are free and which services may involve fees, especially around applications, forms, payments, or screening. But for landlords who want a lighter setup, it is worth considering. Follow the part of the rental that breaks first. For a connected landlord dashboard, Innago is one of the strongest places to start. For a guided DIY landlord workflow, Avail is a strong option. The important thing is not to choose software based on what looks most impressive in a feature list.